Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to combine filter and select columns DAX function to create new tables. The main idea is how to create new tables from another table with the date is between two specific dates. So in the beginning, I have to mention that I'm going to use the cells Power BI report that I have created and modified in previous videos. You can check all the videos in my YouTube channel. So let's start. Let's click on new table. So I'm going to change the name of the table to new data table 1, and let's start. Select columns function, filter, data is the name of the table. Now date, the column, and date, it's higher or equal to date value function. It converts a date in the form of text to a date in that type format. So we will choose 0101, the 1st of January 2012. It's because all the dates in the Excel sheet is between the year 2012 and 2013. So I choose this one. And date, it's inferior or equal to that value function. So we'll choose this one, 27 of November 2012. Here we finished uh, the filter, and we are going to select the specific fields that we are going to show in the new table. I'm going to choose the amount, the date, and the product only. You can choose all the fields, or you can choose specific fields as you wish. So the name of the new field is amount. Let's specify which field that we are going to use. This one. Product, the second one. And we are going to choose this column. And finally, the date. And obviously, it's date column. Let's close this one and let's run it. And as you can see here, we have a new table which contains only 3 columns and contains data between two range of dates. So I'm going to use another method just to show you how we can create it, our idea with multiple methods. So let's click new table. we are going to name our table to new data table 2, okay, and var filtered table. Here we are going to create a new variable table which has the name filtered table equal to filter. We are going to do the same job but differently. Data, date, and date, it's inferior or equal to uh, date value. Value, okay. Uh, the 1st of January 2012. Oh, it's superior. This one is superior and should be inferior or equal to that value. That value 27th of November 2012. Let's okay. Here we finished the filter. Return. Okay. Select columns. Okay. Okay. Filtered the name of the variable table. Okay. So we are going to name to select uh, the fields that we are going to choose and to rename it, to name it. Okay, so data amount as the previous methods, product, and finally date. The two methods show us the same results. And let's run it. And here we go. Let's make this one. Okay. Okay, the original table contains 85 rows. The new data table 1 table contains uh, 75 rows, and the final table, new data table 2, contains also 75 rows. Those two tables are the exact has have the exact data. Okay, so we have here we have created uh, two tables using filter and select columns DAX function. Uh, this is the end of the video. I hope that you enjoy it. Please subscribe to our channel and like the video and share it everywhere. And please comment what you want to see in next videos. Thanks and see you later.